Traffic lights. Today we learn traffic lights. So, what is traffic light? Can anyone say? A sign with three colored lights that used for controlling the traffic is called traffic light. Means a sign means a symbol, sign, color, three colors that used to controlling the life means stop, go, wait, like this. Okay, the first light is red. Red means do not go. This is the zebra crossing and any vehicle is coming from there. It should be stop. Why? Because it's a red sign. So whenever you see in the traffic signal, traffic light red, you must stop your vehicles. Amber light. When amber light is glow or on, you should see here and there, but you don't wait. You can go, but your speed should be slow. There is some slow speed. So take care of this light. Amber light means go slowly. The third light is green. When green light is on, let's go. So there is no any obstacles. You can go. There is a clear traffic. So how you like our video? Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.